Today, guys, we're gonna cash out some stasho sheets. So what happened? I have two money making app which I basically mine Bitcoin. So with these two money making app, I normally go ahead and actually earn just by mining. So what happened with these money making app? If you're interested, I will leave the links for you in the description down below. So it's super easy for you to just click the link and make your very own account so you can start earning. So yes, guys, right now if I go into my cash out area, I have around, I would say withdraw now. I press all. So I have two stats. I'm able to cash out two stats right now. So yes, guys, the last time I do a cash out and the first time I did go ahead and cash out at least 52 stats. So yes, guys, I cashed out 52 stats and that was sent to my account. So just to keep that into consideration. Not sure how much is the minimum amount to cash out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and cash out this 2 cent, two stats, right? And if they complete, I'm just gonna share with you guys basically um the minimum, because even till now I'm not sure what is the minimum. So just to keep all that into consideration. So you can see that when I am about to cash out, if I press all, you will see at the bottom of the screen it says make sure the amount entered create in the invoice is. So basically what they're saying, guys, I have two stats here. When I create the invoice, because this cash out works on invoice. So you have different ways or you can send stashes, but it's similar but it's a little bit different, right? Sometimes you can use a address tag or an or, or Bitcoin tag or a game tag. You can use the Bitcoin address, and some apps offer the invoice. So the invoice is basically what you create. You have to create that invoice and then put that information here in order to get your earnings out. When you're using the tag, you only have to copy and paste what is your tag name. Let's say your tag name is um Tyanna, or your tag name is boy, or your tag name is girl, or man, or woman. You have to just place that tag. But for this money making app, you have to use an invoice. It doesn't matter what app you're using to take out your earnings, you will need an invoice. And I'm gonna share with you guys in another video how you create an invoice. So yeah. So now you can see we have the Speed wallet here and we have the Zebedee account. The last time I did go ahead and share, I used the Zebedee account. So yes, guys, it's the same thing with the invoice. So just to keep all that into consideration. So now I want to go ahead and go back to my another app that I basically use to mine Bitcoin. So one of my viewers have asked me that they're not getting like the mining, it's not mining for them. So what I can say to you is that when it comes to earning Bitcoin with money making app, it all has to do with the region where you're in. So you have to take in consideration the region where you're living. You have to take in consideration the device that you're using. Some device they will mention it to you that this app is not available in your region. So yes, guys, after you completed download, I normally say go ahead and click the link in my description, because when you click that link in my description, you're sure that you're getting the right money making app. Instead of you going and searching for the app, once you click the link, you'll be carried over to the sign up area. So once you carried over to the sign up area and you create an account, you have to create an account. Maybe you can use your Gmail or you can use your email and your password. Once you do that, you're on this page. You have to search the money making app where it says free. You want to make sure it is free, because if it's not, you're gonna have to pay. Okay, so let's keep it into consideration. At the top of the screen here, it says total mining power. You want to make sure that is uh, active, activated, right? After that, what you want to do, you want to go to your store. You want to make sure, okay, once you activated your mining power, right? Then you're gonna be able to go ahead and actually take claims anywhere on a money making app that you see it says claim. You take the claim. Once you don't have to, once you're not paying, you take that claim, right? So you can see here it says buy one get one claim. You don't want to buy, so you're gonna leave that one. For this one, it says 510.00 and it says VIP. You, you you know that you haven't paid for any service. So you are not VIP. So you surely know that this is not for you. Let's say you go ahead and click the claim button, right? You will be carried over um into a site that you have to pay because this is for VIP. You didn't sign up for anything. You didn't pay for anything. So certain things you already know that's not for you. The ones that are for you is this one that is counting down. The one that says 3.3.5 GH slash S. That's basically saying hash rate per hour per hash rate, right, per second. So that's just it. So the next one over here, it says 5.6 GH slash S. You can see claim. Those two are for you because those two don't say best offer, VIP. Those two, they don't let you pay. So you know, okay, this is for me, this is the free version. And how you know that you have a free version, you're gonna go to the section here where it says store. Whenever you download a money making app, you have to go to the store. That's how you know what uh you can access. When you go to the store, you're gonna see all mining power. You need power to mine. That's how you create satoshis. So you're gonna click the view button. Once you click the view button, you're gonna look for free. That's how you're gonna earn. If you decide to go the pay route, you don't have to listen to anything that I have to say here. But on this channel, we deal with free ways or we can earn Bitcoin. So once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and click any one of these, right? So let's say these are all free. Some of them are 2 hours, some of them are 13, some of them you just have to click one of them. And once For me personally, the one that I'm using is basically the 3.5. So you click the 3.5 ad each time I click something, I have to watch a random ad. So what I was saying that's basically how you're able to get started. Now, you can see that this money making app has a free claim of 35 claims. So each, you can see I only take two claims because